Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our future content. Today, we're diving into a product that I am absolutely thrilled to share with you. The 100 PCs, Lot 2, 8 quarters, 8/6.3 mm female and male crimp terminal brass car speaker electric wire connectors and insulating sheath. These connectors are an absolute game changer when it comes to electrical equipment and speaker connections. Let's talk about the material, brass. Not only does it provide a sleek and professional look with its gold tone, but it's also incredibly durable and reliable. The terminals are rolled and the seam is butted, ensuring that they cannot open under normal stress or wire pull conditions. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your connections are secure and stable. One of the standout features of these connectors is the full port barrel design, making them ideal for difficult to crimp solid wires or stranded wires. This means that they are versatile and can handle a wide range of wiring needs. And the best part? They are durable and easy to install, saving you time and effort during the installation process. These connectors are suitable for a wide range of applications, including power cable connections in electrical equipment, as well as in machinery, electric power, railway, shipbuilding, aviation, home appliances, and of course, car, boat speakers. This level of versatility and reliability is unparalleled. So, if you're looking for a solution to your wiring needs that is not only reliable and durable but also easy to install and versatile, then the 100 PCs, Lot 2, 8 quarters, 8/6.3 mm female and male crimp terminal brass car speaker electric wire connectors and insulating sheath is the perfect choice for you. Don't miss out on this incredible product. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on these game-changing connectors today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.